my name is Micah Smith, and I'm with MississippiOutdoorAdventures.com. This video is going to serve as a guide as to how our website operates and how you can use this website to list your property or outdoor adventure. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to MississippiOutdoorAdventures.com. Once you've gotten to our website, the first thing that we're going to do is go up to this top right corner right here. We're going to hit login. Once you're here, you're either going to create an account if you haven't done so, or log in with your existing account. Since I've already got an account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in here. You can see once I've logged in, we are taken to the create a new lease property page. So right now I don't have any entries, I don't have any listings on here. So the first thing we're going to do once we've created our account is we're going to click here at create new lease property. Once we're here, we can see the property form. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put property name. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and use Micah's property. Once we've done that, we'll go to the next blank, which is going to give us just a little description of the property. So we'll just put 10 acres of flooded cypress timber with crappie fishing. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and we can provide the property address, city, state needs to be Mississippi. That is actually going to go down here, and then we can provide the zip code. So once we put all of that information in, the next thing we can do is launch the map. And from there, we can go ahead and plot a point on the map for where our property is located. Now, at this point, we can see that all the counties from Mississippi are filled in, but they're not filled in for any of the rest of the states. The reason being is, as the website currently operates, we're only operating in the state of Mississippi. So make sure that your point that you pick is in the state of Mississippi. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So now we're going to go ahead and drop a point here on our map for where our property is located. So we'll pick this area right here. It's just an example. So once we've done that, we're going to see in the bottom right hand corner, confirm property location. So now that we've done that, we'll see that the longitude, latitude, and county will automatically be filled out here. From there, we can go ahead and click next. Now we're going to see the next form on our page, which will allow us to fill in some more information regarding the property that we're trying to lease here. So we can go ahead and put our acreage in here, the number of acres that we have available. In this case, I'm going to put that the whole property is available, and then we can also put a price per acre. Total forested acres is just going to give us some more information about the property. And at this point, you may be kind of discouraged with filling out all of the things that we have on here, but I would really encourage you to provide as much detail as possible in your listing, because the more detail that we provide here, the more likely you are to get somebody that's interested in leasing your property. So you'll continue to fill out all of these blanks with more information. Total agricultural acres. If this is going to be a fishing lease, that number is going to be 0. So we'll go to next. So then from here, we can include wildlife included in the lease. So from here, I can put fishing. Additional activities allowed during lease. Wildlife watching. Again, you're going to want to continue to put all of the options that you have available, just to try to really encourage somebody to want to lease the property. Amenities offered with this lease. Again, click all that apply. Identify any adjacent public lands to lease property. Click all that apply. Do you live on the lease property? Indicate that there. And then from here, we can choose files, and this is going to allow us to upload a picture of the property. So if you've got a picture of the property, you can go ahead and upload that there. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this stock picture here. Once we've done that, just take one more look at it, make sure everything is correct, and then hit save. And now that this is saved, you can see that we are back to our original starting point at the Create New Lease Property page, but we can now see that there is an entry. And so this is going to just give you a snapshot of what the overview of your property is. We can see here that the status is submitted. So from here, the listing is going to go to the admins for the website, where the listing will be reviewed just to make sure that all of the details are correct and everything is appropriately listed for the website. So continue to kind of check on the status, and within the next few days, the status of your listing should be confirmed and your listing should be live on the website. And so from there, you will hopefully be contacted by somebody that's interested in leasing your property. So that is pretty much a conclusion of how you lease your property using the Mississippi Outdoor Adventures website. If you have any questions, you can see on our homepage. We'll go ahead and navigate to that. But here are the links to our Facebook, Instagram, and a place where you can go ahead and contact us via email. So if you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and happy adventures.